Hi, this is Sean Johnson, and I'd like to introduce two new features of Windows 7 and one new gadget from Windows 7. Windows 7 introduces several new features and is a welcome upgrade from the unpopular Vista. The two features that I will be discussing in this presentation is the new Windows taskbar and the Windows Touch, which is compatible with any machine with multi-touch capability. The new Windows 7 taskbar is still in the same familiar place for switching between windows. Now it's just easier to see, more flexible, and more powerful. The new taskbar includes jump lists. With jump lists, you can get right into documents, pictures, songs, and websites you most often use simply by right-clicking the program on the taskbar. As you can see, it's pictured below. The taskbar pops up above the icon and it shows you all the documents you can jump straight to without searching for it. Makes it a lot easier. Okay, also in Windows 7 you can pin your favorite programs anywhere on the taskbar for easy access. If you don't like the way it's lined up now, you can rearrange it by just simply clicking and dragging, and you can pin it anywhere on the taskbar. That includes any documents, any websites. You can just pin it straight to the taskbar, and that's a real helpful tool. I use it a lot myself. My favorite tweak of the Windows 7 taskbar is the live preview. With the live preview, you can point to a any taskbar button to see a live preview of what the window is when it's open. This includes web pages and live video. You simply just move your mouse over the thumbnail to preview it, and it gives you a wide full screen view of it, and you simply just click it to open that window. Now the Windows Touch, well, One Touch capability has been around for years on Windows, but Windows 7 is the first to fully embrace the multi-touch technology. To zoom in on something, you simply place two fingers on the screen and then spread them apart. To right-click a file would be to touch it with one finger and then tap the screen with the second finger. The Windows Touch is available only in Home Premium, Professional, and Ultimate editions of Windows 7. My favorite gadget would probably be the Blue Calendar. It's just simply been modified from the original Microsoft original calendar. It's modified with blue colors to match the new sleek look of Windows 7's new design. The references I use in this presentation would be techtipsgeek.com and yahoo.com. Hi, after that PowerPoint, I'd like to give a brief overview of how these items work. For example, the live preview that we talked about earlier, here this is an example of it now at the bottom of my screen. As you can see, once I do a mouse over, it gives a little preview, thumbnail preview of what's the application or video or program that's open. Click on it, it shows you a large version of it. This is a Word document I had open from a previous class. Go back here, go over the Chrome web browser, and it brings up the web pages. This is a really good feature if you keep a lot of program windows open on your desktop. Makes it real quick, easy to navigate through those screens. As you can see, example here, let's see if I open up a document here in Explorer, and if you open up a new window here, when you go back and scroll over in the Explorer, it gives you that preview. You can scroll over it and then you can move and see what's here. I don't have Foxfire open, but if you go to Chrome, it shows you that preview. Word, so whatever application program you have open, at the bottom here in the taskbar, it will give you a live preview of that, and it's a really nice feature. I really like it a lot. Works really well when you have a lot of screens open. If you're doing work, you have a lot of different windows open, you can quickly navigate down here, see what you have open, where it is, and you can get to it a lot faster. Saves you a lot of time. So that's a really cool feature, and I enjoy it a lot. Okay, also here we talked about pinning icons and programs to the taskbar. Give you a quick example of pinning. Here I have this Word document. If this was something that I needed to get to quickly and I didn't have the icon here on my desktop, I could simply just pin it. It gives you the option to see here, pin, release it, and it shouldn't be there. Did it pin it? No, let me redo that. Opens it. Not sure why it's not pinning that here. Let's try this again. Alright, there we go. That must already be pinned here. This is an example here. So now that's pinned to the start menu, and it opens up that database for me. So that works really well. Something you use a lot, you need to get to, you can just pin that to your taskbar and it'll be there for you. Unpin is really simple. Right click on that. This jump list comes up. This is what also we talked about, jump list. Click over an icon and it gives you different options. You can just close the box there. We want to unpin this from the taskbar, and now as you can see that is gone. See this here is requesting to update. Let's close that window and jump list. Pretty cool. This is just gives you different options you have with different programs. Here, this is the jump list from my start menu. So the taskbar works really well. You have different options. You can I have auto hide on, which means that it doesn't show you the taskbar unless you scroll down, and then the taskbar appears. So it keeps your desktop really nice and neat. It's really great features. Again, the live preview, you just scroll over it, it gives you a live view of it. Click on it when it's a big screen, you move the mouse back off of it, it goes away. Same here, another example, scroll over top of it, it gives you a big view of it, scroll off of it, it goes away. So yeah, these are really cool new features of Windows 7, which I really enjoy. It saved me a lot of time, and I had went away from Windows for a while, but these features as well as other features really made Windows a lot more enjoyable for me. So I really like Windows 7 a lot. The other feature that I wanted to show was actually a gadget, was the blue calendar, and it was up here, it's gone away. Gadget, calendar, here we go. Pretty cool. Simply just a calendar. You have different options. You can view it month, day view. You can make it big, and it's pretty cool. You can leave it there on your desktop to view whenever you need to take a quick look at the calendar. I enjoy it because I have a lot of projects and work stuff coming up, and I can just quickly look up there, and it's not really too intrusive or invasive, and it stays out of your way. If you don't like it, you can simply just close it and it goes away. So those are two features I wanted to talk about, and the gadgets that I want to talk about. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time.